Welcome everyone to a new educational video where I'm going to explain to you how to trade my bread and butter strategy, parabolic reversals. And I'm going to explain to you how to trade this strategy, recapping one of my mentees trades on BOH. What you need to know is that trading extreme reversals or parabolic reversals, so trying to catch a falling knife, is extremely risky due to the fact that every single pullback, every single hammer or bullish candle seems to be a reversal. Therefore, focusing too closely on trading reversals could get you into overtrading or maybe get to max loss before the reversal actually happens. However, following a certain criteria and enough screen time could help you catch the exact moment of the reversal before having multiple losses on that particular stock, giving it multiple attempts. The main criteria for trading reversals is a straight move to the upside or to the downside without having any single pullback. And looking at BOH around here, you could see that we have a straight move to the downside without having any single pullback so far. The next thing that you need to find just to time your entry is either a level or an increasing volume at the extremes. Having a level or increasing volume tells you approximately where you want to get into the trade or where exactly you want to look for an entry for. And looking at BOH around here, you could see that yes, there was no level around this area. However, we had an increasing volume, which is called exhaustion volume. Exhaustion volume is an increasing volume that happens at the high of the day or at the low of the day, and it indicates that big players or maybe institutions believe that this is the highest or the lowest that the price could reach. Therefore, an area around an increasing volume is an interesting area to look for an entry. Remember that having an increasing volume by itself doesn't necessarily mean that the stock is about to reverse or about to pull back, but it's just a sign after which you need to find or look for some entry criteria. And looking at BOH around here, you could see that we had some small double bottom along with a hammer, which was also an indication of strength. Having a hammer at the low of the day tells you that the stock is about to reverse to the upside, similar to having a shooting star at the high of the day indicates that the stock is about to pull back. Now let's go to trading terminal replay feature to recap a trade and see how exactly it looked like in the real time. So you could see that BOH actually had a huge sell-off without any single pullback since the market opened. And by the way, if you take a look at the 60-minute chart, you could also see that this stock had a huge sell-off since 8th of May without any single pullback. There were some small consolidations, but no pullbacks at all. At the low of the day, we are finally having a minor double bottom with an increasing volume. This is actually your sign. This is your signal that the reversal is about to happen. Once you see this increasing volume, you see a bullish candle, for example, a hammer, you could get into the stock. If you had a level approximately at around 30.85 or 30.80ish or 30.90ish, somewhere around the low of the day, that would have actually been a good sign for us to get an entry somewhere earlier because we'd have some increasing volume along with the reversal candle. Once you are in a trade, you just simply manage it according to your rules. For me personally, I love going for a target of at least 30% of the move. So if this here is the beginning of the move and this here is the low of the move, that is somewhere around $5 move, I'd be looking for at least $1.50 move before I start looking for a pullback. And that would be somewhere around 32.30ish, 32.40ish to start taking some partials. A realistic target would be up to 50%, maximum 70% of the whole move. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and to recap, to play parabolic reversal, all you need is, or the first thing you need to see is a straight move to the downside or to the upside without any single pullback. Once you've found a stock that has been overbought today or oversold today without having any single pullbacks, you need to find the level approximately around the area, and you need to find an increasing volume, preferably, not a must. One of these two things would actually be good to see. Next thing you need to see is a mini pattern on the 1-minute chart or at least a reversal candle. It's preferable to have a stock also extended on the 1-minute chart or have a stock that had multiple consecutive 1-minute candles in a row. An entry at a new 1-minute low or maybe at an advanced level before the 1-minute candle closes would actually be good in this case. Once you are in the trade, you put your stop loss at the high and you go for a target of at least a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Personally, I go for a percentage pullback of at least 30% of the whole move. If you have any questions, make sure to type them in the comment below. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and share this video if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.